Hey guys, running Kimono here. So, a friend of mine over on Instagram, a lady by the name of Sacktown Couponer, her name's at the bottom there if you want to go give her a follow. Really great couponer based out of California. She posted an offer for free Gillette clear deodorant. So, this specific one called Power Rush. So, here's the story, guys. These are on the promotion of 2 for 10. There's a $3 digital coupon. You're going to pay 7, or you could possibly use points if you wish. And then both a $3 and a $4 register reward are printing. Now, let me explain this to you. The $4 register reward is part of the weekly offer. However, that $3 one is a national Gillette register reward. So it essentially zeroes it out to completely for free. Now, just to show you, this is what the $3 digital looks like. I went and clipped it last night, so it is still in fact there, and it's a $3 off of a one product, and it's attaching to this. So, I mean, if you can go to the store and try and line up this deal, why not? If you're a nervous shopper and want to wait for me, I'm probably going to try it a little later today, and I'll let you know. So, grabbing 2 of those Gillette Clear deodorants, again, just going through the math, it's $10 on the nose. Subtracting the $3 digital coupon, you're left with paying 7 out of pocket. Again, if you want to wait for me, I'm probably going to do the deal later today so I can let you know definitively if it is or is not printing. So you're going to get back a $4 and a $3, so that's basically $7 of register rewards, making this completely free. The limit for this is once per store card because that digital coupon is a one and done. And again, to answer the question, yeah, if you want to use points to pay for this, you can use points to earn register rewards, so that works perfectly. Now, let's just say you wanted to use one of these boosters with it. Let's go through this deal again. So we're going to be grabbing 2 Gillette Clear Power Rush deodorants. They are 2 for 10. So grabbing 2 of those, we're going to have this guy loaded to our store card. And again, this is once per store card. So once you've done it, the coupon will not reset for you. Just to note that for newer shoppers who are going to ask in the comments, it's a one and done. And then my absolute favorite, we're going to grab, it's your choice, but we're going to grab 3 Tide products. So 1 bag of pods and then 2 liquids, or do it the opposite way. And thankfully, this is only a 1-week promotion because it's confused me so much in the last couple of days. These 2 beautiful digital coupons showed up, so you can use both of them. And you're also going to need 1 printout. So if you got the June P&G and had the $2 coupon, that's a choice. And then also P&G Good Every Day. There's also printables there, so you could probably print out 1 there. I'll throw the website right here at the bottom if you want to go and root around that website. And just note that once you print those coupons from P&G Good Every Day, I think they're valid for only 24 hours. It's a really quick turnaround, so just note that. And then we're also going to grab 1 candy bar for 88 cents to get our balance right to 25, because this is Walgreens and you need $25 for that booster to work. If you're as much as 1 penny off, it won't. So grabbing 2 of the Gillette deodorants, that's $10. Please make sure you're grabbing the right ones. And then 3 Tide products. So you're going to need a diversification of like 1 pod, 2 liquid, or the opposite of that. And then 1 Snickers bar for 88 cents. That right there is a total of $25.85. Of course, we have our booster loaded to our store card, which is, 5,000 points when you spend 25. And we're going to present 1 $2 coupon, either from P&G Good Every Day or the June P&G, subtracting $2 right there. Along with, we're going to have the $2 Tide coupons loaded and then the $3 Gillette coupon loaded. You're left with paying $16.85 cash out of pocket. And then out of the machine, you're going to get back a $4 register reward, a $3 register reward for the Gillette, and then a $5 register reward from the Tide, and then also 5,000 points for your basket, essentially making it free. So this is quite the trippy little haul. There's nothing better than free deodorant and then Tide and then some candy too. So if you are kind of nervous about this or not sure, I'm going to test this one out today because I can, because I messed up so badly yesterday, and give this one a whirl. I think it's pretty straightforward and there's no room for really big errors. I'm just gonna like print this out and follow it to a T. So if you want to wait for me, I'll probably have a video a little later about my successes with this, but how great is this deal? And again, thank you, Sacktown. What a great little offer. And if you go to your coupons folder at the very top, there's lots of thank you or just for you, as this is at the start of a new month, even though the calendar doesn't make sense because July will be starting in the middle of the week. So typically that's when the new month starts. It's not like on the 30th it ends. Walgreens math. We have new thank you and just for you. So the more that you shop, the more of these special coupons that you receive. So please go and load them right away so you can, if you need one of these later in the month, you will be in business, for a really great dealio. Okay, guys, and the next thing I do want to talk about is the next beauty event. So just mark this on your calendar. This is a time when a lot of us make a lot of points over at Walgreens. It's from July the 9th to the 11th. So kind of like mark that tentatively down in your calendar. It's when you spend 25 on beauty products, you get back 7,000. Shout out to Clip Cat over on Instagram. She did post about this over on the weekend. And she seems to always have the best information for this beauty event. So she is correct. That is the date. So just mark it on your calendar so you are aware that that's when we're going to make a lot of points over at Walgreens. The last thing I want to touch on before I take off in this video is to just extend a very big thank you to many of you who were very sympathetic or had a story very similar to mine where you go to the store and mess up and $7 later you're like, oh my gosh, I really messed up. And I think this is just a common theme that the more that you coupon, sometimes you have an off day, and it happens to everyone and anyone. It's like anything in life, you can be a really good golfer one day and then the next time you go on the greens you have a really terrible day. And I think this is just really common. And because couponing is very robotic, but part of it is also a little bit of luck, and sometimes you're just in a bad place, or just things go wrong, or you have a terrible cashier in front of you, or you could be making all the mistakes, which was squarely my problem yesterday. It was not the store or the staff, because the staff at the store are really great. So, it is what it is, and you just have to be somewhat smart about it, and just take it as a loss. Now, yesterday I could have continued. I could have went to Rite Aid. I could have went to the Dollar General. I could have went to Walmart and Meijer and just kept bouncing from store to store to store. But I actually stopped after this because I didn't want a $7 mistake to become a $14 mistake to become a $21 mistake. Because if I was really off or absent-minded, which this barely happens to, because I've been couponing for, I think, almost 10 years now, guys. So the more you do this, it's like second nature. It's like when you started driving when you're 16 to how you're driving today. Hopefully it's better. You know what I'm saying? Just the familiarity. That's what I'm trying to get at. So I just, for me, the $7 mistake is stinging because I'm like, I should have known better. But it happens to everybody, and I think it's quite humbling that even though you're in a certain place, you can still make mistakes and learn from them. So definitely I'm going to be paying attention moving forward, and just trying not to make so many expensive mistakes. But I do thank a lot of you for being so very sympathetic and just very nice. I have the greatest subscribers, I think, and just you guys are really, understanding, and we all have off days. That's what I wanted to share, because it would have been very easy for me to just change things around and say, oh, everything was perfect and this was a moneymaker and everything was free in the basket, and then I danced twice in the parking lot and spin 17 times, and then it was perfect. But I just wanted to be truthfully transparent and honest with you, and just to own, yeah, I made a mistake and this is how much it was for. And I think honesty is the best policy, because if you remember, for another event a couple weeks back, I had the empty basket of doom, because all of my boosters, like the 5 off of 10, the 5 off of 15, the 5 off of 20, none of them were working at Walgreens. And like, I tried this, I tried that, scanning my card when I'm standing upside down, and, punching in a phone number, grabbing a screenshot of my store cart. Every single thing we tried, the staff was so accommodating and so nice. But sometimes, guys, it's just not your day. And I think in this hobby, you just have to recognize sometimes you have losses and just say, hey, that's okay. I'm going to pick this up tomorrow or try it another day, and just to not give up. Because I think a lot of newer couponers, if you have like 2 run-ins like this with staff that's not very nice, or just where you're making mistakes, you just kind of say, okay, I'm done with this. This does not work. And I hear it all the time in the comments, but sometimes having a positive attitude and just a little bit of can do of, I'm going to try this another time, it really goes a really long way. So hopefully there was a message between all of this, but I just wanted to extend the biggest thank you to my subscriber base for being so awesome. As always, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.